Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial. Today I want to show you how you can sell detailed or physical products in Payhip. Before anything, a quick warning, okay? Because every single tutorial is going to tell you that this is, completely free platform. That is going to take 5 minutes to set it up, and that you're going to keep 100% of your profits without any risk, okay? And this is mathematically incorrect because it is true that this is a very fast tool to set up, but if you stay on the free forever plan, that's gonna cost you hundreds of dollars in unnecessary fees once your store begins to scale, okay? And what's even more, many creators confuse Payhip with a merchant of record like Paddle or Gumroad. This is a critical mistake that can leave you legally exposed if you do not understand who handles your payment processing. So we can build a fully optimized page today, okay? So the first thing you need to do is click on get started for free and just, type in your email basically. And there are no credit cards required upfront because you automatically enter the free forever tier. So Payhip does something unique here. They do not get any features behind their premium tiers. Whether you pay $0 a month or $99 a month, you get identical access to courses, memberships, and automated file delivery. Okay, the only variable that's gonna scale is the transaction fee architecture. So depending on how much you pay, if you don't pay nothing, you're gonna get like a 5% fee. You can go to a 2% fee if you go to the plus plan, or you can go to 0% fee if you go to the pro plan. That's the only difference really. So that's why I recommend that if you start making a lot of sales, you quickly gotta swap to the pro or the plus plan, okay? Otherwise, you're gonna be losing a lot of money in transaction fees. Okay, that being said, from your first dashboard, you're gonna click on add your first product, okay? So we're gonna click on add a product. And in this case, I wanna show you how to sell digital products. So let's click on it, digital products. Now we have to enter our pricing structure and clear description copy. And of course, you have to upload the product file, which can be like a PDF, like an image, like, I don't know, a lot of stuff really. Now let's talk about the detail or the advanced option. This is where a lot of people are gonna leave a lot of money behind, okay? First of all, you can define if the product has different variations, such as the format or the version, okay? And this is great because it's basically gonna give you access to selling different documents at different prices, depending on how much the customer pays. So you can add like a guide, for example, for a diet, and you can add also like a second guide that is like the extra, okay? So if the customer pays a little bit more, they're gonna get that too. You can select whether or not the product is tax exempt, whether it's an ebook or not, okay? You can also just upload like a previous file for your customers, such as a teaser to kind of, hype them up and, make them buy. You can limit the number of times this product can be sold. Okay, that's gonna be good for like premium stuff. And also you can automatically subscribe customers to mailing lists. This is something that I highly recommend you do. And finally, you can generate unique license keys for each sale, but that's gonna be for like apps and things like that. Next, you're gonna have to connect your, payment infrastructure. So we can just click on Setup Checkout. And you have two main choices. You have your PayPal, and you also have your Stripe, okay? I could actually recommend you connecting both of them to reduce friction. This is gonna be important. But we have to make something very clear, guys. Payhip is a platform layer. It is not a merchant or a record, okay? So when a customer processes a payment on your store, the funds passes instantly through Payhip directly into your personal Stripe or PayPal account. You are the legal merchant. Okay, so if something is like fraudulent or things like that, it's gonna hit your financial profile directly, not Payhip's, okay? And it's important to mention that, Payhip for the European Union is gonna automatically calculate, collect, and legally remit the required bad metrics directly to the respective European tax authorities on your behalf. If you are in the US, you remain entirely responsible for tracking your native nexus limits. Okay, once you want to build your store, you can just click on store and you can click on launch your store builder, okay? That's gonna allow you to build like a very fast page. You don't need anything so complicated. Use like a simple layout with a 3D mockup and clear bullet points detailing the explicit outcomes of your digital product is gonna be enough. And then you can start going to your marketing section. They have the affiliate tool, as you can see in here. And this means that you can automatically create an application link to recruit your customers or influencers to sell the product for you, okay? By just copying this, link in here and sending it to them. So just copy this, make sure they open it, and they're gonna be able to sign up. And from here, you can define the precise commission percentage, say 30% or 50%, okay? And this is gonna handle all of the tracking links and conversion automatically. So that's pretty much it in terms of what you have to do, okay? Just click on dashboard, add a product, or many products. Complete your checkout, your detailed payments basically. Then go to store, launch your store builder, and finally go to marketing and add some kind of affiliation link. And that's gonna be it, okay? So as you can see, it's pretty simple, it's pretty convenient, and yep, I hope you enjoy it, and remember you can try this completely for free. Thank you so much.